And welcome back to the Morning Blend, where we are cooking with the Machine Shed. Sometimes summer gets so darn hot, you don't want to cook. So a fresh salad can be the perfect fit.
That's right. Chef Kurt Wagner is here from the shed to make a hearty chef salad. Welcome back, Kurt.
Thanks for having me. Appreciate it.
Good to see you.
Yeah, I think it's true. People want to kind of lighten up their meal when it gets a little warmer out, whether it's humid or hot or just beautiful out. And this is a great way to make it light but yet hearty.
Well, that's exactly right, and especially in that heat, who wants to turn on your oven in the kitchen when it's 80 degrees or 90 degrees outside? You don't want to make it 110 in the kitchen. So.
For sure. So you're doing a chef salad a couple different ways, right?
Well, that's exactly right. We call this a chef salad. This one's actually on our menu. I've got another one over here with seafood. That would be more like a captain salad, I guess, because it's got some seafood on it. Both are fantastic, but you can put just about anything you want on one of these salads. So if you're grilling out one day, you can save things and use it for the next day. You can put chicken on there. You can do some teriyaki. You can do almost any kind of chicken that you like, or turkey or goose. I mean, almost any kind of bird is going to work very well for a salad.
Or ham. It looks delicious. All right, so let's go ahead and assemble it. Tell us what the ingredients are. So you've got your mixed, it looks like field greens, spring greens.
This is exactly right. This is actually a spring mix, and there's different kinds. You can actually buy this already done at the store. You don't have to buy 10 bags and assemble it yourself. So you can just go there and pick that up. What we're going to do is we're going to take some smoked turkey. We're going to just lay this on one side.
Okay.
And we're going to take some baked ham. These are all julienne cuts. You can actually dice this if you prefer and spread it out. It really kind of depends what your eye says looks great.
Okay.
We got some shredded Swiss cheese here. We're going to take this and put this on one side here. And a little bit of Colby over here.
Couple different kinds of cheeses, couple different kinds of meats.
Yeah, and again, you can kind of do that. If you have a favorite cheese, you're more than welcome to do that. Or, you know, I know Tiffany likes avocado, and I was gonna put some of that on the salad, but didn't quite have the chance this morning. So, so
I'll forgive you this time.
I will make sure we get it in next time, because I know how you like your avocados. And
we both really like hard-boiled eggs too.
Yes.
After we talked last time, I've started. I went to the store and got a couple, and now I'm hooked. I'll actually just take them, slice them up, and eat them at home.
Yeah.
Little salsa, a little salt. And
that's all you need.
That's what I've been doing, and they're fantastic.
It's a whole meal in one. Do you usually do shredded cheeses or cubed cheeses in the restaurant?
Cube cheeses most of the time in the restaurant. People seem to like that better. Personally, I kind of like the shredded because it just mixes in a little bit easier with the salad. But if you come out to the restaurant and you prefer to have it shredded, we have both on hand. So all you have to do is ask, and we'll be happy to use shredded cheese for you.
So what kind of dressing will you do with that then? Oh, you're going to put some croutons on it first?
Yeah, we've got a couple croutons here, so we can put up just a few croutons on.
Perfect. Get a little crunch on there.
Kind of got your crunch
I'm also a big sunflower seed fan on salads.
Yeah, I like sunflower seeds too.
Need that little crunch.
Sunflower seeds are fantastic. Pine nuts are actually very good as well.
Pine nuts would be great,
so something else to do. I've got 3 different dressings that I brought with me today. I've got our ranch dressing, which we make in the restaurant, our French, and our golden Italian. What's your favorites?
I like French and ranch.
I do too.
You do too?
Yeah. Especially on a chef salad.
We can definitely do that.
Do you make all of your dressings or just some of them?
We make some of them. We don't make them all.
Okay.
There's a couple of them that we always have done. I should say that were done for us. Again, we have our own recipes, and then we found a company that would do that for us and take one less thing for me to do in the morning.
Nice.
Because it does get to be a lot.
Look at
just
that.
Put a little bit of this on here.
Fantastic.
I don't know what your favorites are, but we'll kind of mix this in a little bit.
I want to make sure I taste the smoked turkey here. Okay.
That looks
great. We want to look at some video of the restaurant, because I want to give people an idea of what the dining experience is like at the Machine Shed, because you serve everything family style. Great place to go with big groups, bring out the family, friends after work. Talk a little bit about what it's like dining there and how you serve people.
Well, a lot of our things are, as you said, serve family style. It's just a way to make it a little more conducive to conversation. We have big round tables, which are great for families because you're sitting across from each other looking at each other. You get a real long table, and that's great, but Uncle Harry at that end can't talk to Aunt Mabel at that end because they're 25 feet apart. So people are left out of the conversation. And it's just real nice because we have all of our fixings are set out in the center of the table, so you can get your potatoes that way. I mean, there's all different things that we do, especially for parties and caterings and things like that.
And great stuff at the gift shop, too.
Well, we have a ton of things. I brought a few things with today. I mean, we're heading into that summertime weather, so we've got our snow cone maker and a snow cone kit that goes along with it. In honor of of Tiffany and Molly. I brought along that little book right next to it, which is Wine and Summer Cocktails.
Yes, it is.
Just figured I might bring that along.
That's a hit.
You know us well.
Yeah.
Well, I'm kind of thinking one of these times that's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to bring in a series of different cocktails that we do at the restaurant, and we're going to spend the morning cocktailing.
There
That's
we go.
perfect.
I like that. We should also make vodka
Snow cones?
Snow cones. I wonder if those would work.
Why not?
We
would
can
be
make
an
that
adult's-
work. There is no doubt we can make that work.
That chef salad is delicious. I love the homemade dressing, and this one is a different variation on it, like you said, with the
Little
shrimp
Captain.
and the crabs. You can do any kind of meat or seafood to kind of mix it up, do what your family likes or what you like for a summer salad.
Well, that's exactly right. I mean, and you want to be free to kind of experiment with it, because that's how you learn and find new things, and that's why all those little family secrets get tucked away. Is, you know, Aunt Mabel's salad of this kind or that kind, and everybody always wants those recipes. So so you run across things as you experiment and play a little bit, and you can even actually do these salads and toss the dressings right in with them before you serve.
Delicious.
And then you're not pouring it on top or anything. It's all mixed in and ready to go.
great.
That French dressing was fantastic as well. All right, well, here's the information for the Machine Shed, so you can go out and get yourself a hearty, yet light and healthy chef salad. Pewaukee or Appleton are the two locations, machineshed.com, and on Facebook as well. Thanks, Kurt.
Thank you,
you.
Kurt.